And law is finally catching up with the Gandhis. For the first time in the case so far, the Enforcement Directorate has directly named Congress MP Sonia Gandhi and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi as accused in the National Herald case. Sonia Gandhi has been named as accused number 1 and Rahul Gandhi has been named as accused number 2. And as we get you more details of the probe, there's breaking news that's now coming in. The protests have begun in the capital. In Delhi, you have Congress workers who have gathered. Congress has called for a nationwide dharna today. The BJP goes on to say that the Congress's dharna antics will not play any role in putting any kind of pressure on the ED. But we have my colleagues Niyamika and others joining us as we track these protests. Going across to Niyamika, who's joining us live. Along with Niyamika, we also have Nilesh, who's joining us live from the ED office in Mumbai. Along with Nilesh and Niyamika, there's also Govind, who's joining us live from Bhopal, and Shivam, who is at Robert Vadra's residence. And remember, Robert Vadra will also be attending ED grilling today for a second time. Priyank is also with us. Let me go across to Priyank. Priyank, take us through what you're seeing around you.
Sagarika, what we can tell you to our viewers that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also come to the Enforcement Directorate to drop her husband Robert Vadra, who is joining the investigation for the second time in 2 days. Yesterday, Robert Vadra was questioned for approximately 6.5 hours by the Enforcement Directorate, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, since she was traveling, she could not come here. Now, as a part of support to her husband, Robert Vadra, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has reached this Enforcement Directorate office here in the national capital. This is a major development because earlier also what
Do stay with us, because as you get us the pictures of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra joining her husband Robert Vadra to the ED office today, who's facing summons for a second time. Let me also go across to Niyamika, who's joining us live from the AICC headquarters. The protests have begun. On one hand, it is Robert Vadra who's facing questions with regards to a land deal in Haryana. On the other hand, it is the Congress party which is protesting over the ED's action in the National Herald case. Niyamika, it's over to you. Take us through what you're seeing around you.
Well, yes, Sagrika, first I would like to show you the visuals here as we are standing outside the AICC headquarters. You can see in the pictures that how the Congress workers are continuously sloganeering against the BJP government. They are holding posters and banners which is stating Satyamev Jayate, Daro Mat, Sar Jhukane ka hukm ab aaya hai aur sar utha kar nikle hain. So that is the message which the Congress party is trying to give to the people of this country, because the Congress party is basically alleging that this is an intimidation which the BJP government is trying to do. This is a blatant misuse of power. So the investigative agencies are trying to suppress the voice of the opposition leaders, and that is the reason why the Enforcement Directorate has filed a charge sheet against Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. You can see in the visuals as well that they are also trying to jump off these barricades which have been put up here by the security personnel, because the security arrangements are already being done. However, the senior Congress leaders are also present inside the AICC headquarters, which includes Deepa Das Munshi, Rohit Chaudhary. It is also being told that Imran Pratapgarhi is also going to be coming here, and not just him but Supriya Shret is also being present here. The other spokespersons of the Congress party are also going to participate in this particular protest, as they are basically saying that there was no transfer of money which was being done, as it was being stated by the Congress party's Rajya Sabha MP and the senior advocate Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi as well. But let us try to go across to these protesters here, that what are their viewpoints. Let us try to speak to them that actually they know about this entire issue or not. Let us try to speak to them. आपको पता है ये मैटर क्या, AGL क्या है, आप जानते हैं?
अग्निवीर स्कीम बंद करो, देश में बचाओगा, और ORP लागू करो, पुरानी पेंशन लागू करो।
तो ठीक है, लेकिन प्रोटेस्ट जिसमें कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में जानते हैं?
मोदी देश को गृह युद्ध की तरफ धकेल रहा, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई को लड़ा रहा है।
AGL के ऊपर प्रोटेस्ट करना है, AGL के बारे में जानते हैं आप? AGL के बारे में जानते हैं जिसके लेकर?
आपका आवाज नहीं सुनती, मेरी आवाज सुना है।
AGL के बारे में जानते हैं जिसको लेकर प्रोटेस्ट?
हाँ, उसके लिए ये ED का गलत इस्तेमाल कर रहा है। अमित शाह के पास देखो कितना
है, क्या AGL
कितना गौ करता है।
आपसे बात करेंगे।
मोदी करता है।
किसके खिलाफ है ये जिस चीज को लेकर चार्जशीट फाइल हुई है, वो मैटर क्या है?
आज जो हेजिटेशन हो रहा है कांग्रेस की तरफ से। ये जो मोदी और शाह ने ओराल्ड केस में सोनिया गांधी राहुल गांधी के प्रति केस किया है, जब 2014 में कोर्ट ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में फाइल बंद कर दी थी, आज में कुछ नहीं हुआ, इन्होंने सिर्फ इनको अंदर करने के लिए दोबारा से केस लगाया है।
एजेएल केस क्या है इसके बारे में, एजेएल केस क्या है इसके बारे में जानते हैं?
क्या चीज?
इस केस के बारे में जानते हैं?
हाँ जानते हैं। ये 1800 कुछ में स्टार्ट किया था मोतीलाल नेहरू ने, और ये एक किस्म से बंद हो गया था जिसमें एम्प्लॉइयों की सैलरी नहीं दी जा रही थी। इन्होंने एम्प्लॉइयों की सैलरी देने के लिए अब ये चालू कराया था।
You have heard that the people who are actually protesting here, they have no idea that what it is actually about. What is this entire matter? What
Some are
is
talking
AJL?
about
They have no clue about
OROP. Some are talking about how there is an atmosphere of communal unrest. But when you ask them specifics about the charges against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi with regards to the AJL case, no answers there. But you can see multiple Congress workers have reached the AICC headquarters. They are standing there. Some have scaled up the barricades. Lots of drama unfolding. Let's also shift our focus to